On your iPhone, wake the screen and stay on the lock screen. We'll add your name in just a few taps. Touch and hold anywhere on the lock screen until it zooms out and the Customize button appears. Tap Customize, then choose Lock Screen if you see both lock screen and home screen options. Now tap directly on the time to open the font and color options. This is where we'll add a name widget. Below the time, tap the empty Add Widgets area to open the widgets picker. We'll use a simple text style widget to display your name right here under the clock. In the widgets picker, scroll until you find a text-capable widget, like a notes, reminders, or shortcut-based text widget. Tap and drag that widget into the row under the time, then release to place it. If the widget offers a text field, tap it and type your name exactly how you want it to appear. Use the keyboard to add emojis or symbols if you want a more personalized look. When you're done, tap Done in the top right corner to save your new lock screen. Lock your iPhone and wake it again. You'll see your name cleanly displayed on your lock screen every time you pick up your phone.